Swedish lands to across the Nordics, we raise it up, and the whole town knows.
At Salboheds, we're proud to be part of this digital transformation and these projects. Data is the new electricity, and these hyperscale data centers are the power plants of today. We make these giants possible by delivering the groundworks that they rest upon.
During 2025, nearly 2.3 million people all around the world are working with data centers. And to put that into perspective, that's the population of Paris. So this is not small operations that we're dealing with. During 2025, nearly 2.3 million people all around the world are working with data centers. And to put that into perspective, that's the population of Paris. So this is not small operations that we're dealing with.
And now what we see, and Karen leads this, is a very sophisticated high-tech sector, over 100 and construction sector, over 180 Irish companies, exporting nearly €5 billion in a year globally.
So here in the Nordics, we do have a unique edge. We do have abundant clean energy. We do have stable politics, a strong skilled workforce, and we have reliable connected grids. And that is our Nordic edge for this entire region. By 2030, the global data center industry will hit $4 trillion, a phenomenal number. What's more important is that that is faster growth than almost all industries in the history of mankind. And don't forget, the Nordics is at the center of that.
And I think it really comes down to us being able to combine our cultures. It's about people meeting, and we all want to do good things. And I think that's very powerful, and it brings a lot of good things for our society as well. Because it's not just the workers on the construction site, it's housing, restaurants, pubs, hotels, local suppliers. Like, we want to help people grow